Previously, we have discussed the hybrid cross of Mendel. And what is monohybrid cross? Cross between the parents differing in one contrasting character. Today we'll be discussing the dihybrid cross. All of you get ready with your classwork copy and you have to do the cross as and when I will ask you, and also draw the Punnett square. Okay, are you ready, children? So, dihybrid cross. So, what is dihybrid cross? Dihybrid means di means two, hybrid means the intermixing of the characters. I mean characters. Here you can say. So, it is the, you can note down, children, it is the cross between the parents differing in two characters, two contrasting characters. So let me first tell you what is this dihybrid cross. As I said, Mendel observed 7 contrasting characters, observable contrasting characters. So monohybrid cross means the two parents, they are, suppose this is male and this is female, the two parents are having 6 character in similar, but they are differing in one character. So that we have already discussed, and that is known as monohybrid cross. Now today we will be discussing dihybrid cross. Here these two parents are similar in 5 characters. They are having same allele for 5 characters. 5 character के लिए उनके पास same allele है, but they are differing in 2 characters. For 2 characters only, they are having different alleles. Is it clear? Or you have any doubt? डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हो बच्चों. Clear? Please respond.
Yes.
Priyanka, better respond. Okay. Now, let us take the character here. That is flower. We'll take what character? You just tell me. Which character will we take? Shall I take?
Ma'am, seed color.
Just suggest me. Yeah.
Seed color, ma'am.
Seed shape.
Take a seed color. Okay. Seed color. And what is the other character you want to take?
Seed shape, ma'am.
Yes, beta bolo. Seed shape. Okay. Okay. This is a commonly taken character. Seed shape. You want to take seed shape. Okay. So seed color. What is the dominant character? Dominant character is yellow. Okay. And recessive is green. Children, again and again I am telling you, you have to remember all the dominant and recessive allele of all the 7 observable characters studied by Mendel. Okay. So seed color, yellow is dominant, green is recessive. Now in seed shape, the round shape is dominant and wrinkled shape is recessive. Now let us do the cross. अभी हम cross करेंगे. So let us take be denoted by Y, capital Y, okay, green by small and round by capital and wrinkle by small r. Okay. So now let us take the two parents, that is male and female. Don't forget to mention the sex of the parent. So here we are taking the female part and the male part of the same flower or a different flower. So here, suppose say we are taking the plant that is homozygous yellow and round, homozygous dominant. What will be the homozygous dominant character? Who can say? Yes, beta bolo संश्लिष्टा. Homozygous dominant. Homozygous dominant कौन सा कैरेक्टर होगा? होमोजाइगस डोमिनेंट मतलब दोनों ही एलील डोमिनेंट रहेंगे दोनों कैरेक्टर के लिए, ठीक है? तो इसका मतलब है येलो will be there, so it will always be in pair of allele. Am I clear? The one is R, that is round character, so always it is in pair, so it is homozygous. So this is the parental combination. Okay, here also this is parent, and we have to take what? Double recessive, yani the parent which is recessive for both the character, that is small y, small r, that is recessive. Okay, so what will be the phenotype of this parent? This yellow and round. Okay, and what will be this parent? This parent is green and wrinkle. Are we clear, children? Now, before fertilization, as usual, every plant undergoes gametogenesis. So, it will form gamete. So, gametogenesis. So, by gametogenesis, how the gamete will be formed? Who can say what will be the allele present in the gamete? ये जो मेल पेरेंट हमने दिखाया, मेल पेरेंट के गैमेट में एलील क्या होगा? Who can say? Quick! I need quick response. Yes?
Capital R, capital Y.
Capital Y, capital R.
Very good. It is capital Y and capital R. Of these two Y, one of the Y will come to the gamete, and out of these two, one of the R will come to the gamete. Clear? In this case also, this is gametogenesis. Okay. Now it will form the gamete with allele, that is small y and small r. Now cross pollination. Okay. So this is by crossing. By crossing, what will be the parent? Capital Y. This gamete will fuse with this gamete. So these are the gamete. Okay. So when this gamete will fuse with this gamete, then what will be the individual? The individual will be having, it is these gametes are having, they are having one for each character. Clear? The individual or the zygote which is formed by the fusion of these two gametes will be diploid, and it will have two allele for each character. Clear? So here capital Y and from here small y will come. From here capital R and from here small r will come. Okay. So now what will be the phenotype of this individual? Phenotype क्या होगा बच्चों इसका? What will be the phenotype?
Ma'am,
Yellow
yellow
and
round.
Ma'am, yellow round.
Yellow round.
Round. Because yellow is dominant, so at least one dominant allele for each character is present. So phenotypically this individual is yellow round. So individual is homozygous or heterozygous? This is homozygous or heterozygous?
Ma'am, heterozygous.
Heterozygous.
We'll look at it.
Okay. This is heterozygous. Okay. Now let us do the selfing. Abhi hum what is this level? This is F1 individual. Now this F1 individual will be self. I will do selfing of this F1 individual. Okay. Have you done written in your copy up to this? Have you all
Yes,
written?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now just remember what individual, what phenotype we have got and what genotype we have got in the F1 progeny. So here we have to take the F1 individual. Now this F1 individual is capital Y, capital small y and capital R, small r. So this is yellow round. Okay. Now this will be the parent. अभी हम इसको parent लेंगे. ठीक है? So and we have to selfing it. We have to do self pollination. So capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. This is female. Suppose say now this is also yellow round. Okay. Now what we have to do? Again, gametogenesis. Okay. So here also it will undergo gametogenesis. And now, can you tell me, children, how many types of gametes can be produced? कितने तरह के gametes produce हो सकते हैं? Yes.
4 types.
4.
4 types of gametes. How come you know? How come you know? आपको कैसे पता है? देखो बच्चों, इसका एक सिंपल सा तरीका है, मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. It is dihybrid cross ना. So dihybrid cross में आप क्या करोगे? 2 to the power 2. So it will be 4 types of gamete. If it's trihybrid cross, then what will be the number of gametes, types of gametes? 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Okay, so this is the similar, but know the number of gametes. Okay, so in monohybrid cross, only one type of gamete is produced. Okay, so that I am not discussing. Monohybrid I have already discussed. Okay, so now what are the possibilities? Along with capital Y, small y can be there. Okay, along with capital Y, capital R may be there. Along with capital Y, small r may be there. Along with small y, capital R may be there. And along with small y, small r may be there. So these are the possible types of 4 possible types of gametes that can be produced by each parent. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, this will also produce these four types of gamete, that is capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, small y, small r. Okay, so same types of gametes are produced. Now, just remember the types of gametes produced by each parent. Now, we are going to represent the result of the cross in Punnett square on silver board. So get ready children, do your own Punnett square and start writing. Okay, quick. Whoever will show me the correct Punnett square with correct character and correct representation will get a chocolate. Ready? Are you ready? Have you started? I am also doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, okay. Let us do simultaneously. कौन पहले करता है देखते हैं. मुझे पीछे छोड़ना जाना है. ठीक है. So how you will decide कि how many and columns you have to make? As you know that four types of gametes. So पहला वाला आप छोड़ दो. ऐसे पहले बना दो कि ये आपका यहाँ मेल, यहाँ फीमेल. Then four types of gametes. So here four columns and four rows. लेकिन इसको छोड़ के गैमेट लिखने के लिए जो रो एंड कॉलम है उसको छोड़ के आपको चार बनाना है. सो इफ यू रिमेम्बर आपने गैमेट लिखा है. सो आई एम आल्सो राइटिंग द गैमेट कैपिटल Y कैपिटल R कैपिटल Y स्मॉल y कैपिटल R small y small r. Here also I will write in the same sequence capital Y capital R capital Y small y capital R and small y small r. Now let us cross this gamete with this gamete. What will be the individual? Capital Y capital R capital R. Now by fusing this gamete with this gamete, capital Y capital R small r. This gamete with this gamete, capital Y capital R small r. Then this gamete with this gamete, capital Y capital R small r. Okay. Now come to the next row. Capital Y small r with capital Y capital R. So what will be the zygote? Capital Y capital R small r. Okay. Now fusing this one with this one. Capital Y small r. Fusing this one with this one. Capital Y capital R small r. This one with this one. Capital Y small r. Then come to this one. Capital Y small y capital R capital R. Capital Y this one with this one. Capital Y small y capital R small r. This one with this one. Capital small y capital R capital R. This one with this one. Capital small y capital R small r. Now come to the last row, last type of gamete. Now fusing this one with this one. Capital Y capital R small r. Then this one with this one. Capital Y small r. This one with this one. Small y capital R small r. This one with this one. Small y small r smaller. Who has finished? I have finished.
Ma'am, I have also
I have
finished.
I also have
Yes,
finished.
ma'am, I have also finished.
Fine, very good, very good, very good. So now, can you tell me what will be the phenotype of this individual? I'll write in red pen. Red color से लिख लेंगे. This will be
Yellow round.
so both are
Yellow round.
so it will be so round. Here also both capital, so it will be
Yellow
round. Very good. This will be also yellow
Yellow round.
round. This is also yellow round. So children, one thing I would like to tell you, to become yellow and round, to express the dominant character, at least one of the allele of each character must be dominant. हर एक कैरेक्टर का एक एलील डोमिनेंट होना चाहिए. तो आप देखो ये जो चार केस हमने दिखाया सब में कम से कम एक कैपिटल वाई है, ठीक है, और एक कैपिटल आर है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज येलो राउंड. नाउ कमिंग टू दिस वन, येलो राउंड. दिस इज आल्सो येलो round. This is also yellow round. Okay. Now this one is yellow round. This one is also yellow round. Okay, children. So now you see this one. I will write in black pen only. So what will be the color of the seed and shape of the seed here? This will be yellow.
Yellow wrinkle.
Wrinkled.
Yes, very good, very good. This is yellow wrinkle. And what will be this one? This one will also be yellow.
Wrinkled.
Very good. And this one will be yellow wrinkle. Okay. Now come to this one. अभी हम देखेंगे इसको. ये क्या होगा? Green round. Because both the y are small, so it will be green. And capital R is present, so it is round. So this one will also be green and round. This one is also green and round. And what will be this one? This one will be, what will be the character? This is
Green and wrinkled.
last one. Yes, this is your, what will be the color? Green
Green.
and wrinkled. Both the characters are recessive. Now let us find out. So these are the phenotype we have observed. Okay. So let us find out the phenotypic ratio. तो यहाँ पर मैं लिख रही हूँ phenotypic ratio. What will be the phenotypic ratio? Just see, children. How many yellow round? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So you just see in a triangle shape. In triangle shape में you can see these 4. Okay. And these 3. Then again. Okay. So these are the 9 individuals which are yellow and round. So phenotypic ratio yellow round is 9. I will write the character below this one. The next come to, I have written in black color, yellow wrinkled. Okay, how many yellow wrinkled? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 are yellow wrinkled. The next, again 3. You can see here. Green round. How many? 1, 2, 3. So 3 are green round. Clear? And then rest 1 is left. That is green wrinkle. Are we clear? So out of 16 individual, so altogether we got 16 individuals, out of which 9 are yellow round, then 3 are yellow wrinkled. Yellow wrinkled. Then these 3 are, what are these 3? These are green round. Green round. And this last one is green wrinkle. Green wrinkle. Okay, children? So, these are the phenotypic ratio. So, let me rub this one and clearly I will write the phenotypic and let us find out the genotype also. Okay. So, what is the phenotypic ratio here? Phenotype 9 out of 16. Then these are yellow round. The next 3 out of 16 are yellow wrinkled. Then again 3 out of 16. Yellow wrinkled is over. Now it is green round. Green round. Then rest 1 out of 16 is green wrinkled. Okay, children. So this is the phenotypic ratio. That is 9:3:3:1. Very, very important, children. Now, whether the monohybrid phenomena that is followed here or not, that we'll discuss. But before that, I will tell you what is the genotypic ratio. How to find out the genotype. Okay? So, shall I rub this? Phenotypic ratio. Mita do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let us find out the genotype. So, genotype. अभी हम पहले देखेंगे बच्चों, यहाँ बाहर से जो 9 इंडिविजुअल आपको क्या दिख रहे हैं? येलो राउंड. लेकिन इसका जेनेटिक मेकअप क्या है? व्हाट इज इट्स जेनेटिक मेकअप? देखो, ये है आपका, एक एक में बताती जा रही हूँ. देखो, ये है होमोजाइगस येलो राउंड, यानी कैपिटल वाई कैपिटल वाई कैपिटल आर कैपिटल आर. सो पहले लिखेंगे कैपिटल वाई कैपिटल वाई कैपिटल आर कैपिटल आर. कितना है आप देख लो. अब जितने बार भी इसको देख लो, यू विल गेट ओनली 1. सो इट इज 1 only. Okay. The next come to capital Y, capital R, small r. How many? You will get these 2 only. Okay. So ये हो गया 1, फिर ये हो गया 2. You see how I am proceeding. मैं कैसे जा रही हूँ? How to find out? कैसे निकालना है ratio? So capital Y, capital R, small r. How many are there? 2. Okay. The next come to children. Next type. Here another yellow round is there. So now you see this one, capital Y, capital R, capital R. आप कितना भी ढूंढ लो, you will get only these 2. Okay. So capital Y, small y, capital R, you will get 2. Okay. Now come to the next one. Capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. ये आपको 4 मिलेंगे ऐसे. ठीक है? ये पूरा ऐसे आपको मिलेंगे. ठीक है? So now capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. How many? 4. Okay. देखो बच्चों, पहले मैंने राउंड किया, फिर लाइन, फिर राउंड किया, फिर लाइन. ओके, ठीक है. सो अभी हम देखेंगे, यहां से देखेंगे, यहां से हम देखते आएंगे. ठीक है. देखो, स्मॉल y, इधर से स्मॉल y, स्मॉल r. हाउ मेनी? आप कितना भी ढूंढो, ये एक ही मिलेगा. ठीक है. देन स्मॉल y, कैपिटल R, स्मॉल r, कैपिटल R, स्मॉल r. हाउ मेनी? आप कितना भी ढूंढो, ये 2 ही मिलेगा. सो यू विल गेट 2. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट दिस वन, येलो रिंकल, कैपिटल Y, स्मॉल r, स्मॉल r. आप कितना भी ढूंढो, आपको ये 2 ही मिलेंगे. ठीक है. सो कैपिटल Y, स्मॉल r, स्मॉल r. हाउ मेनी? 2. ये आपको कितने मिले? 2 मिले. बाकी रह गया कौन सा? ये. ठीक है. दिस वन एंड दिस वन. सो आपको वहां से क्या हो रहा है, ऊपर से हम देखेंगे कैपिटल Y, कैपिटल R, स्मॉल r. ठीक है. बिफोर दिस वन, इससे पहले हमको मिल रहा है ना कैपिटल Y, स्मॉल r. तो यहाँ हम लिखेंगे कैपिटल Y, स्मॉल r. हाउ मेनी? 1. और यहाँ हमको किसके बाद मिल रहा है? जस्ट बिफोर दिस वन, इससे पहले हमको मिल रहा है. सो स्मॉल y, कैपिटल R, 1. तो अभी बच्चों हम देखेंगे रेशियो 1:2, 2:1, 1:2. देखो बच्चों, ध्यान से देखो, 1:2, 2:2. इसको हमको यहाँ लिखना चाहिए था 1. देखो यहाँ से देखो, टेबल से 1:2, 2:1, 2:4. क्लियर? 1:2, 2:4. बीच तक आ गए ना? ठीक है. अभी हम चलेंगे 2. ओके. 2:1, 1:2. ये देखो 2:2:1. Is it clear, children? Can you find out the genotype from the Punnett square yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कितना आसान है ना ये निकालना, है कि नहीं? देखो, 1 2 1 2 4. अगेन क्या है? 4 के बाद उल्टा हमको जाना है. 1 2 1 2 4, 2 1 2 1, 2 1 2 1. कैसे? 2 1 2 1. ओके. नाउ डायहेब्रिड क्रॉस का पनेट स्क्वायर फिनोटाइप जीनोटाइप क्लियर टू यू चिल्ड्रन? क्लियर हो गया? Shall I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
मिटा दो.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, on the basis of this dihybrid cross, Mendel put forwarded one more law, that is third law of inheritance. Third law of inheritance. And what is that third law of inheritance? That is law of independent assortment. Law of independent assortment. So what is this law says? When the parents differing in two character are crossed, then the characters are assorted independently during their inheritance. इसका मतलब क्या है बच्चों? अभी देखो हमने क्या लिया कैरेक्टर, कैपिटल वाई कैपिटल आर, और दूसरा प्लांट लिया स्मॉल वाई स्मॉल आर। लेकिन बच्चों आपने जब जीनोटाइप एंड फिनोटाइप टेस्ट किया, उसका स्टडी किया, तो व्हाट डिड यू ऑब्जर्व? क्या ऐसा हमेशा मिला कि कैपिटल वाई के साथ कैपिटल आर ही रहेगा? क्या आपको ऐसा मिला कि स्मॉल वाई के साथ स्मॉल आर ही रहेगा? नो, बिकॉज दिस कैरेक्टर, inheritance of this character is independent of the other character. ये जो कैरेक्टर है इस कैरेक्टर का इनहेरिटेंस पे डिपेंड नहीं करता, ठीक है? So they are assorted independently. Okay, they are transmitted to the next generation. While transmission, they are not depending upon each other. कोई किसी के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं कर रहा है. That's why we are getting the offspring. कैपिटल Y के साथ हमको क्या मिल रहा है? स्मॉल r भी मिल रहा है. कैपिटल Y के साथ हमको स्मॉल y, कैपिटल R, स्मॉल r भी मिल रहा है. So we are getting different combinations of alleles in the individual. Okay, so this is the meaning of this law. Is it clear, children? Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
इसको हम प्रूव कैसे करेंगे? How to prove this one? ऐसे मैं बोल दूंगी आपको तो आप तो नहीं मानोगे ना. We have to prove it. So if each of these character will follow the monohybrid cross rule, okay, so if of each of the individual character will show the monohybrid ratio, अगर हर एक कैरेक्टर को हम अलग से लेंगे तो अगर मोनोहाइब्रिड रेशियो दे देता है तब हम उसको मान लेंगे कि ये कैरेक्टर जो है दे आर नॉट डिपेंडिंग अपॉन अदर वन. ओके, कैसे? हमको क्या मिला था बच्चों? 9 क्या मिला था? येलो राउंड, करेक्ट. देन 3 क्या मिला था? येलो रिंकल. फिर 3 क्या मिला था बच्चों? क्या मिला था? ग्रीन राउंड. यस. देन नेक्स्ट मिला था ग्रीन रिंकल. ओके, ठीक है. अभी हम देखेंगे बच्चों ये जो है येलो एंड राउंड कैरेक्टर. यहाँ पर क्या है? येलो डोमिनेंट. यहाँ दोनों डोमिनेंट है तो इसका हम अगर रेशियो लेते हैं, ठीक है, ये दोनों का हम आपको मान लो येलो का रेशियो जानना है, ठीक है, तो कलर का रेशियो हमको जानना है. येलो एंड ग्रीन, सिर्फ कलर का हम ले रहे हैं. यहाँ क्या आ रहा है? येलो राउंड और यहाँ क्या आ रहा है? ग्रीन राउंड. तो राउंड इज सेम, राउंड सेम है, सिर्फ हम क्या करेंगे? येलो ग्रीन का रेशियो हमको इससे निकालना है. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट द रेशियो फॉर मोनोहाइब्रिड रेशियो फॉर कलर ऑफ सीड कलर के लिए अगर हम मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस निकालेंगे तो क्या होगा? येलो इज टू ग्रीन. कैसे निकलेगा बच्चों? 9/3. 9:3 इज इक्वल टू कितना होगा? इट इज 3:1. 1. आ गया ना मोनोहाइब्रिड रेशियो? Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, let us take the other one. दूसरा कैरेक्टर हम लेंगे. Okay. So here हम और क्या कैरेक्टर लेंगे बच्चों? देखो यहाँ पर हमको और क्या लेना है? शेप को लेना है. ठीक है. तो शेप में हम देखेंगे कि कलर सेम हो और शेप अलग हो. कौन कौन सा आप बताओ? कलर सेम है. देखो बच्चों कलर सेम है किसमें? देखो यहाँ दोनों में कलर सेम है और ये अलग है. ये दोनों ले सकते हैं या फिर इसको भी ले सकते हैं हम. ठीक है. तो मोनोहाइब्रिड रेशियो फॉर सीड शेप क्या होगा? यहाँ देखो आपको कोई भी ये दो ले सकते हैं हम. येलो येलो सेम है. सॉरी हम क्या ले रहे हैं बच्चों? सेम ले रहे हैं ना. ओके. येलो कलर सेम है लेकिन इसका रेशियो राउंड रिंकल. सो राउंड टू रिंकल. राउंड टू रिंकल. ओके. कितना होगा रेशियो? 9:3. So this is 3:1. Is equal to 3:1. So when we are taking the character from out of this dihybrid phenotypic ratio, we are getting the monohybrid ratio for each of the individual character. हर character के लिए हमको monohybrid ratio मिलता है. So this proves that the characters, the two characters which are considered for a dihybrid cross are assorted independently during their inheritance. So I think it is clear to you, dihybrid cross, the law of independent assortment, both are clear to you children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, good. So children, you do practice this. You take different combination of the character in my after completing this chapter, we'll practice many such combinations for dihybrid and monohybrid cross, and also we'll do test cross for dihybrid cross. But before that, you also do certain practice. Okay. So thank you children. Thank you very much. But don't leave the class now. Okay.